Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today let's discuss how to track AliExpress order without account. So normally AliExpress wants you to log into your account if you want to see your orders, but if you don't have your account you can still track your order. So you need to check your email. After you ordered, AliExpress sent you confirmation with your order number and a tracking number. So you need to copy this tracking number and paste it to universal tracker like 17 track. This is the website 17 track. So paste your not this one, I'm sorry. So here you can paste your tracking number and it will show you all the shipping updates. But for example, if you only have your order number but not the tracking number, you will need to contact the seller directly. So yeah, you have to absolutely have your tracking number to track your AliExpress order if you don't have your account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.